The Terra collapse was caused by two traders. The Basel hard fork is on the testnet. The British Army lost control of Twitter and YouTube to crypto scammers. 3 Arrows Capital filed for bankruptcy. And second round of investigation begins on Kwon. All this and more in this video. Welcome back. Well, let's get started. Was the Terra collapse caused by two traders? According to Chainalysis, it all started on the night of May 7th, when Terraform Labs, as part of a planned operation, withdrew 150 million USD from Triple's curve-based liquidity pool. Such a large and unique operation, according to analysts, increased the volatility of the pool. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Just 13 minutes later, a major trader identified this loophole and traded 85 million USD for USDC to increase volatility. Over the next hour, another trader converted a total of USD 100 million in USDC into 4-tier transactions, increasing the volatility again. In response to this, Terraform Labs withdrew another 100 million USD from Triple to balance, between quotation marks, the proportion of USD relative to other stablecoins. However, at that time, previous large transactions as well as many smaller ones had already broken the USD parity with the US dollar. Next, British Army lost control of Twitter and YouTube to crypto scammers. The Twitter and YouTube account of the British Army were hacked briefly on Sunday. The hackers reportedly used both platforms to promote fraudulent cryptocurrency and NFT projects. The Army has regained control of the both platforms as of now, apologizing for the temporary interruption. Luckily, there are no reports that indicate if followers lost digital assets to the scammers so far. The Army has 363,000 followers on Twitter and 177,000 subscribers on YouTube. Don't forget that in January of this year, a user lost 26 bitcoins to the creators of a fake Michael Saylor YouTube channel, in what is seen as the largest single crypto payment to scammers. I just want to say one thing. Be safe out there. Just remember, if it's too good to be true, then it's probably not. And now, let's keep going. Cardano lead developer finally launches Basel hard fork on testnet. According to an announcement made by Input Output Global (IOG), Basel hard fork was deployed on the blockchain's testnet yesterday at around 20 hours and 20 minutes UTC. The testnet launch of Basel hard fork, according to IOG, will allow cryptocurrency exchanges, stake pool operators, SPOs, and developers to conduct rigorous testing for the upgrade in order to ensure everything is working as expected. The testing of Basel will be done within the next 4 weeks, and it will finally go live on the mainnet by the end of this month. The hard fork is expected to enhance the following aspects of Cardano: scalability, high throughput diffusion pipelining, script performance, and the blockchain's efficiency, among others. Something interesting is that this news had no impact on the price of ADA, which is still trading at around 45 cents. Crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital filed for bankruptcy to protect its assets from creditors. The company made a bankruptcy filing in a New York court on June 1st, which legally shields the US assets of insolvent foreign debtors from creditors in the US. Last week, a court in the British Virgin Islands ordered the liquidation of 3 Arrows Capital's capital after they failed to repay a $670 million loan provided by Voyager Digital. The company has been severely impacted by the Terra Luna and USD crash in May, where it lost about $200 million in investment. And lastly, second round of investigation begins on Kwon, TFL, and Luna crash. The Joint Financial and Securities Crime Investigation Team of Seoul's Southern District Prosecutor's Office, long name, also known as the Hapsudan, started a full-scale investigation against the Luna and USD crashes today. Initially, Hapsudan will focus on reviewing legal principles and interrogating witnesses. The 3 legal allegations raised against Kwon are violation of the Fraud and Receiving Acts Act, tax portal, and money flow controversy. Hapsudan has suspended all TFL employees from traveling outside the country and summoned them as witnesses to investigate further into the process of TFL and the Anchor protocol. Luna and USD plummeted by 99.99% within a week since the beginning of May 2022. Due to this, investors slapped charges against Kwon for money laundering and for knowing the algorithmic flaws in the system. Well, as always, that's all for today, and see you on the next one.